Good day, viewers. Thank you for joining us in this class. Here we want to find the value of s given that we have log 2x plus 1 base 3 equals to 2 plus log 3x minus 1 base 3. Now we will apply one or two laws of logarithm here. We should know the law of logarithm when we have log x to base a plus log y to base a. We can equally write this one as just one log, that is log xy base a. So the product, whenever we have addition of two logs in the same base, we can actually write it as the product of the two numbers in one base. And also similarly, when we have subtraction, when we have log x to base a minus log y to base a, this will be given as log x divided by y base a. So for subtraction of two log, we have just division. So it will just summarize as division there. And we also have some laws, but actually what we need in this question given is just some of the law, not everything. So I won't be stating all the law here. Subsequently we'll be stating the law, everything. And most importantly as well, we should know how to change from logarithm form to indices form. For instance, I have log x, log n base a equals to x. So let's use this. We can actually change this one from the logarithm form to indices form, so that this will now imply that we have a raised to power x equals to n. That is, the base here will be raised to the power of x and will now be equals to n. So that's the interpretation of logarithm, and also equivalently we can write it as n equals to a raised to power x. So n equals to a raised to power x. Now quickly let's look at the question given to us. We have log 2x plus 1 base 3. Now let's collect the log to one side. From here, let's collect the log to one side, plus log 3x minus 1 base 3 comes here, become minus. So we can then write it as log 2x plus 1 log 2x plus 1 log 2x plus 1 base 3, then minus log 3x minus 1 base 3, then will be equals to 2 now. So what we have done there, we have taken the plus log 3x minus 1 on this side to this side now, so that we now have this. And don't forget from the law that we have, when two log are subtracted and the same base like this, we can actually summarize it as one log, and this will be log. So this will become log. So when we divide, we have 2x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1, and that's also in base 3, then equals to 2. So we have summarized this log now to just a single log in base 3, and they are now dividing each other. And when we now relate what we have from logarithm form to indices form, so this is logarithm form and this is indices form, so we now have n equals to a raised to power x. So when we apply that, say that will now be 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 1 equals to 3 raised to power 2. So that means we now have 2x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1, then equals to 3 raised to power 2. That's 3 square. Then from there we can solve further. Of Of course, 3 square will be 9. That will now be 2x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1, then equals to 9. So, and that's equals to 9 over 1. By the time we cross multiply, so 1 multiply this, still the same thing as 2x plus 1. Then 9 multiply this, means 9 will multiply these two numbers. Then 9 times 3x, that will give us 27x. Then minus 9 times 1, that's 9. So let's collect the like terms now. We then have x to one side. We have 2x here already. We have 2x here. Then bring 27, become minus 27x. Then equals to minus 9. Then take 1 there, become minus 1. So here we have minus 25x, which is equals to minus 10. So we are finding x. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. In this case, we have minus 25. That means s equals to minus 10 divided by minus 25. Minus cancel minus. And 5 can go as well. We now have s equals to 5 in 10, that's 2. And 5 in 25, that's 5. So s equals to 2 over 5. That's the solution to that. We say thank you for joining us, and also subscribe to this channel for more of our videos, and bye for now.